Snowflake saw shares rise after reporting Q4 earnings that beat analyst expectations and announcing a partnership expansion with Microsoft to integrate OpenAI models. The company reported adjusted earnings per share of 30 cents, surpassing estimates by 13 cents, while its revenue for the quarter was at $986.8 million, beating forecasts and showing a 27% year-over-year increase. Looking forward, they predict Q1 product revenue to grow 21 to 22% year-over-year to between $955 to $960 million. Over to BMRA, which achieved IVDR, in vitro diagnostic regulation, certification for its food intolerance tests targeting Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis in the European Union. The certification ensures compliance with stringent EU standards and allows sales of the products within the market. The certification covers BMRA's food intolerance products developed to support patients suffering from chronic inflammatory bowel diseases, including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, UC. This positions BMRA to expand its presence in the European in vitro diagnostic market and serve both patients and healthcare providers. Then recently, ACHR Aviation obtained certification from the FAA for its air taxi pilot training academy. Meanwhile, Dollar General opened a new 1 million square foot distribution center in North Little Rock, Arkansas. The facility will support the company's traditional supply chain, DG Fresh Network, and DG Private Fleet. This is Dollar General's first distribution center in Arkansas and part of its ongoing efforts to reshape its supply chain operations by opening more of its own facilities and transitioning away from rented spaces. Last but not least, Ocean Power Technologies successfully demonstrated its defense and security capabilities at Navdex in Abu Dhabi with Rema International Group. The live demonstrations included the WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles equipped with underwater sensors and aerial drone integration, as well as the next-generation Powerboy and AI-capable Meros. These demonstrations are expected to create opportunities for further growth in the region, including support for autonomous anti-submarine warfare, mine countermeasures, national security applications, and maritime monitoring solutions. For more on ocean power and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.